Praise God. My name is Tracy Adhiambo, and I was privileged to join the Sunday service in Multimedia University Christian Union. The service today has been so powerful. The presence of God was veiled for us.
Hi, my name is Samson. The service today is blessing all through.
From the sermon, I have learned that we give because we are blessed and not that we should give to be blessed.
My takeaway for the day is that we do not give to provoke a blessing. We give in response to God's blessing and the abundance of what He has already put inside us.
My name is Kinyi Faye.
My name is Jafet Kinkai Eliezer.
We learned about tithing, and I learned that tithing starts with having a fellowship with God.
God's blessings come first. But we don't give in a way to manipulate God to bless us, but we are giving out of the abundance of what God has given.
My name is Brenda Mwende, aka Miss Heart.
Hello, my name is Polycarp Nyapidi, a former student in Mmu. I'm glad to have joined the service today. The praise and worship was uplifting.
We give God the abundance of what He has given us.
I love how the sermon was presented, precept upon precept to ensure understanding. It is truth that we live realities only that we have understood.
My name is Dave Adola.
Hello, my name is Andrea, and the service has been delightful. I've learned quite a lot as pertains to giving and as pertains to priesthood.
I learned tithing as giving as how we are to Jesus and not out of necessity. For God loves a cheerful giver.
And what I've gotten to learn is that the new covenant jurisprudence is a new set of priesthood, which translates to a new set of laws. And so the new covenant about giving dictates that we give because we are blessed, that we give because God has abounded His grace upon us.
Join us this coming week from Monday to Friday as from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. for Word Fest. We're going to be having it on a daily in the evening at the sanctuary. Please don't miss out. Welcome.